Hi guys and welcome back. Now in this video we are going to learn how you can create this section. We are going to create this section you can see right here, and first of all we are going to add this image, background image. Then we can add this heading, and then we can add this description right here, and also we are going to add this button. And you can see when I hover my mouse on this button, and the animation play and also the color of button is changing. So we are going to create this section in this video. First of all, let's add a new section. Click on this plus icon, and I'm going with one column. So now first of all I'm going to right click on this section and then click on edit section. In the height I'm going to change the minimum height to a minimum of 800 pixels. Okay, and now let's add background image. Go to style, in the background type click on classic, and then here you can simply choose your image. So I already have uploaded my image. Simply click on insert media, and now you can see we have added image in our section. Now let's change the settings of image. Right click, edit section. Now first of all in the size you can change the default to cover, and now you can see our image is now set as cover, and I want to make my image little bit upper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the image position. So here you can see we have position right here. In the default I'm going to change the position as custom, and now you can play with X and Y values. In the Y I'm going to make it a little bit up like this, and then so now I'm done with my image. Now let's add background overlay. So I'm going to right click, edit section, and in the background overlay right here I'm going to change the background type to black color, and then you can simply increase the opacity like this. Okay, now let's add our first heading. So this is our heading widget. Simply drag and drop. Now enter your title right here. And I'm going to change the alignment to center. Now let's go to style. In the style I'm going to change the text color to white. Now in the typography you can change the font from here, the family option. I'm going to use Poppins font, Poppins, and here you can increase the size like this. And now we have the weight. I'm going with 800 weight. You can see now it's little bit bold, and also let's change the line height as it is. Okay, so we does not need these things for now. So you can also add a text shadow. So but we are going with this simple heading for now. So now we are going to create this description. Okay, simply right click and click on duplicate this heading title. Now we have duplicated our heading, and now simply copy your description and paste it right here. And now in the style, first of all go to typography and change the size. So you can see how easily we are creating these kind of sections with Elementor, and also change the weight to normal. So friends, this is very easy to create these kind of sections in Elementor. I think this is the super easy way to create these beautiful websites. Now let's add our button widget right here, and again change the alignment to center, change the text to our services, and here you can add button link. We can add this button link later. First of all let's go to style. In the style I'm going to change the background color to white and change the text color to black. Also in the typography I'm going to change the font to Poppins, and I'm going to increase the size something to 25 pixels. And you can see here the button is rounded. To make the button round you can simply play with the radius. So when I'm increasing the radius, you can see now we have this little bit soft rounded corner, and if I increase the radius by 100, and you can see now we have our rounded button. And I'm going to change the background color to something pink like this, and change the text color to white, something like this. And now let's add hover animation. Again, right click on edit button, and in the hover you can see we have these three options: text color, background color, and hover animation. For example, there are lots of hover animations available. So you can see the grow one, then we have the shrink. So for now let's select the grow one, and now in the background color I'm going to change to white, and the text color is going to be black. So now you can see when I hover, the text is changing to black and the background color is changing to white. And now let's add some little bit space between these two sections, these two things. Go back to your widgets, and you can see we have spacer widget right here. Simply drag and drop this, and now I'm going to change the pixel to 25, and then simply click on update, and now you can see your website. So this is how you can easily create this beautiful section in Elementor. I think this is very easy way to create these kind of sections using WordPress and Elementor. So hopefully you know something about Elementor. See you in the next video.